Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So these are the 3 items that you guys would need. The ring, it's optional, but I do recommend getting the wooden ring because it will help with holding down the item that you'll be doing the embroidery on. And obviously you'll need a jean jacket or any item that you're going to be doing the embroidery on. Okay, so let's just get started. I'm going to put all the items that I use listed down below in the description, but right here I'm just showing you how long I did my thread, and it doesn't really matter how long you do it, it's really up to you. And after you cut your thread, you're going to put your thread through the needle hole and tie a really tight knot. And then after that, you're going to go down to the other side of the thread and tie a really tight knot. I recommend doing 2 knots just to make sure that the thread doesn't come undone. So I didn't show this part, but I did print out like a stencil of my name, and this one's just like trial and error. If you want, I just did it on my iMac, and I just printed out my name on the Word document, and I just cut out every single letter, and then I just traced it on to the jean jacket. So this part can be a little bit tricky if you don't practice before doing it, so I do recommend practicing before doing embroidery always. And the way that I learned is I just start always from underneath, and then you're gonna pull the thread from underneath all the way through, and then you're gonna go parallel through the first hole that you made and pull it underneath again, and then you're gonna just keep doing that. Basically it's kind of like a circle, just going underneath, pulling through the top, and then going back parallel to the first hole that you made, and then doing it over and over and over again. So the way that I actually learned is from watching a lot of YouTube videos on this. Doing embroidery is really trial and error. I recommend practicing before doing it, because if you don't practice, then obviously it won't come out that good. But yeah, so I just recommend practicing and just getting the hang of it before actually doing it. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you actually learned how to do it. I know I'm not the best at showing y'all, but I did try my best. So here's just a little clip of me showing off the jean jacket and how I style it.